Hey guys, it's your girl Fantasia and I'm back with another video. Today video is gonna be me putting on how I apply my lace closure wig. So right now I got my bonnet on, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I haven't posted in a while, so I need to post something. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And alright, so let's get started in the video. First, I got my dookie braids that my sister did for me because I can't braid. But first, I'm about to oil my scalp with this. I don't know if y'all can see this. How does this work? No, but this is the wild growth hair oil because I'm bald. So I'm just about to oil my hair with this real quick. I heard this stuff really works, especially like if you use it like every other day. So I'm gonna try to do that, see if I see a difference. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so now it's time to apply the what do you call these, wig caps. And I always get the new one so that I could put makeup on it that matches my skin tone. Child, shush. No, not now. You see me try to do something. Okay. Usually when it's a frontal wig, like I'll put it over my ears, but I don't know if you need to do that for the closure, so I don't know how I want to do this. I think I might, but I gotta push my edges back. And then to sew it, to glue it down, I'm about to use this Got to Be glue spray. Ooh, this stuff is cold. I'm gonna let this dry, so I'll come back to you guys when it dries.
Today we make slime, and the first video, me and Taser is gonna go to the park after we make our slime, and then hope you like my video and comments, and we're gonna make the last video of the hairstyle. She's gonna do her hair after we make our slime, and then we're gonna get our slime for Taser's store.
Alright, I'm back. So I glued down the cap to my head with the Got to Be glue, and I put a little makeup powder that matched my skin, even though I don't think it does. But this is the wig. I think, yeah, I made a video on this one. This was the lace closure wig I made myself. So yeah, let's put it on. Hold on. There's like styrofoam parts in here. I gotta make sure this is in the middle. Hold on. Yes, this is looking nice. So now what we're gonna do is cut the lace off. But when you cut the lace, make sure you don't cut directly across. I cut in like a zigzag, but I'm gonna be back because I can't do this looking at this, so give me 1 second. So I cut the lace. I could actually wear this as a glueless wig, honestly, but I think I might put some of this bold hold on it just to make it last a little longer. So what I do, I usually put either 1 to 2 coats. I need a mirror. This is so hard. And it's like really hot in this room right now. I thought it was supposed to be cold. I'm over here sweating. Let's pull it forward a little. When you do this, make sure you put a very thin layer and wait until it turns clear. Hold on. And I need to pluck this because I didn't really pluck the hairline. But I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Oh, I got a blow dryer too. This helps speed up the process. Oh, make sure you put your blow dryer on cool. Hey guys, so I'm back. I finished the wig. Look at the baby hairs, they're on point. I just need to hot comb the top because as you guys can see, like this part keeps sticking out. But I think I did pretty good. Like I'm getting better at making wigs now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned.
You're crazy.
You're crazy.